Welcome to English Room e-learning. Today we are going to discuss the sixth activity, which is poster making. The boy notices a few placards and posters with slogans written by lovers of nature. Read the slogans. What are the slogans given there? Save trees, save water. Save trees, help us breathe. What is the message conveyed in the above slogans? ഇതിൽ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന മെസ്സേജ് എന്താണ്? You are asked to save trees, which means don't cut trees. If you cut trees, there won't be any water, there won't be any rain, and as a result there won't be any water in the earth. So don't cut trees is the message conveyed there. Okay, save trees, help us breathe, and it is the trees that give us oxygen, right? And if you cut trees, there won't be enough oxygen too. So if you don't cut trees, you will get enough oxygen. മരങ്ങളെ വെട്ടി നശിപ്പിക്കരുത്, ജീവനെ രക്ഷിക്കൂ എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, മരങ്ങൾ വെട്ടി നശിപ്പിച്ചാൽ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, എന്തും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, ഓക്സിജനും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. അപ്പം ഇതിൻ്റെ മെസ്സേജ് എന്താണ്? എർത്തിനെ സംരക്ഷിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? മരങ്ങൾ വെട്ടാതിരിക്കണം എന്നാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ മെസ്സേജ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇത് യൂഷ്വലി നമ്മൾ when do we use these kinds of slogans and things on Environmental Day and on Earth. So two boxes are given here. You are asked to write two other slogans on the need to conserve nature. Okay, ഈ ബോക്സിൽ രണ്ട് സ്ലോഗൻസ് എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. So what will we write? We will write save plants, save nature in the first box, and in the second box we can write nature saves us, we too must save it. Okay, so the task B, look at the poster against deforestation. What is this? This is a poster, right? Something is written on it. Lend a helping hand. Lend a helping hand means give a helping hand. Stop deforestation, save nature. What is it written? Stop deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation means the process of cutting trees. മരങ്ങൾ വെട്ടി നശിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിന്, വനനശീകരണത്തിനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിഫോറസ്റ്റേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് വേർഡ്? അഫോറസ്റ്റേഷൻ. മരങ്ങളെല്ലാം വെച്ച് പിടിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിനാണ് അഫോറസ്റ്റേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ഇറ്റ്? Do not cut trees is written in the second picture. An axe is there and also some cut trees also is there. So it is written do not cut trees. By the end of the poster it is written no trees, no man. If there is no trees, there won't be any man living in the earth. Okay. What do you see in the in this poster? Write in the boxes given below. What is the title of this picture? Lend a helping hand. Illustration, we can see an illustration here, right? Here the boy is sitting on the tree and the girl is hugging the tree. In the second picture we can see there are some cut trees and an axe also is there. Slogan, what is the slogan of this? What is the slogan of this poster? It is no trees, no man. What is the instruction? Instruction means telling to do something or not to do something. It is stop deforestation, save nature. You are instructed to not to cut trees. Do not cut trees. These are the instructions in this poster. What is the message? What is the message? Lend a helping hand to the nature, which means stop deforestation or do not cut trees is the message of this. So what is the task you are asked to do? It is, imagine that the nature club of your school is going to conduct a poster making competition on the day of World Environment Day. Okay, so there is a competition in school ഒരു കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ നടക്കുകയാണ് വേൾഡ് എൻവിറോൺമെൻറ്റ് ഡേയിൽ. അന്ന് നിങ്ങളൊരു പോസ്റ്റർ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം എന്നാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. So when is World Environment Day? World Environment Day is on June 5th. Okay, so here is an example for World Environment Day poster making competition. So here is a picture. On the right side it is the beautiful scene of the picture, and on the left side it is complete pollution, air pollution is given there. So you can write the title as Stop Polluting Nature. Okay, on the left side you can write on the picture, on the side of the picture, so stop air pollution, and on the other side you can write save environment. Okay, so as the message of the poster you can write stop pollution, love nature. Okay, stop pollution and love nature can be. So this is how you can make a poster and do it by yourself. This is just an example. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ചെയ്തത് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. You can do any kind of ideas that you have. നിങ്ങളുടെ കഴിവനുസരിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഐഡിയാസ് വെച്ചിട്ട് തന്നെ ഇത് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. It is very simple and easy. So we will be coming with other activities and summaries of the stories and poems that you have to study. Please do subscribe into this channel. Thank you very much for watching.